to our school principal, say Juanito B. Barcelona, barangay official, headed by our barangay captain and ABC president, Honorable Daniel Jose Bogales, guests, parents, and to my fellow classmates, a pleasant day to all. I am here to provide my utmost greetings and welcome you all to the moving up ceremony 2024 of Hindi Child Development Center. We have done a great work this school year despite the rocky road that we have encountered. And I can say, cheers to us for surviving a year with flying colors. Together, we thank you for our Child Development Center workers, for the patience, and for not leaving us. And to our parents, who serve as inspiration and strength. We have come to the conclusion of the school year that put our different talents and abilities to test. So, let us enjoy this sweet moment that reap the fruit of our hard work. Congratulations to all and God bless.